So someone said that my previous 666 challenge was too easy and that I should make harder ones. Challenge accepted. Now let us see if you can survive this triple power challenge. You probably can't. You see the reason while we solve. So at first, let us add these three terms together because they are exactly the same. So we're going to have 3 times 2 to the power of x to the power of x, and this equals 162 to the power of 1 over 4. We have 3 times 2 to the power of x to the power of x, then this all to the power of 4, and it equals 162 to the power of 1 over 4, all raised to the power of 4. So here we say 4 cancels 4, right? And then we share the power of 4, so we have 3 to the power of 4, then times 2 to the power of x to the power of x, all to the power of 4, and this equals 162. So we are going to have 3 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of x to the power of x, all to the power of 4 equals, because we have a base of 3 and we have a base of 2, therefore we can rewrite 162 as 81 times 2. And also 3 to the power of 4 gives us 81, then times 2 to the power of x to the power of x, all to the power of 4, and it gives us 81 times 2. So 81 cancels 81, and according to the law of indices, we can multiply the power by 4 to have 2 to the power of 4 times x to the power of x, and this equals 2 to the power of 1. So we say 2 cancels 2, and we're going to have 4 times x to the power of x equals 1. Divide both sides by 4. Then we have 4 to cancel 4. Then x to the power of x equals 1 over 4. Now pause the video right here. Can you guess the next move from here? If you can guess the next move from here, write legend in the comments. Let's see the legend. So we have x to the power of x equals, we can express 1 over 4 as 1 over 2 to the power of 2. That's correct. And also we can express 1 over 2 squared as minus 1 over 2 all squared. Because of the property of square, the square cancels the minus, so we haven't done anything wrong. So we're going to have x to the power of x equals, also we can rewrite minus 1 over 2 as minus 2 to the power of minus 1 all to the power of 2. So therefore from here we say x to the power of x equals minus 2 all to the power of minus 2. Then if we observe by direct comparison, therefore we'll find out that x equals negative 2. Correct. So guys, is this also too easy? Should I make it harder? Let me know in the comments.